Hey guys, today we hit 50 subscribers after 45 videos of tutorials and tech things. So I have got something amazing for you as we hit 50 subscribers today. Stay tuned till the video ends for your reward. Before I get to your reward, I always wanted to thank you for helping me out in this journey. However small it is, but your support matters a lot. It's like a river which flows, whatever ups and downs it comes, it flows through it. So a big thank you to all you fellas out there. Thanks for supporting and keep supporting, and let's hit 100 subscribers soon. 3, 2, 1, here we go. So guys, this is where I bring you all to. This is a website of my friend from Instagram. He has a page of technical things and hacks which has over 100k followers, and this is a course he gave away when he got 100k followers. So he has a free ethical hacking course here. So you wanna get this course for your future use or just wanna get started as a beginner, you're right here. So let's sign in and get this stuff. You can sign in with your LinkedIn, Facebook and Google Plus account or create a new one. After you create your account, you can take your course for free by clicking here. As usual, I'll give the link in the description below. As the description says, it is gonna give you the whole ethical hacking from basics. Enroll for free and get started for your bright and sparkling future. So this was just something special for 50 subscribers, guys. When I get to 100 subscribers, I probably assure you that I will get something more exciting than this. So guys, let's go hit the subscribe button down below and let's get to 100 subscribers. We are already halfway there and we are 50 members strong now. So let's get to 100. So this was the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit on the like button, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notifications for more updates on tech.